let me tell you, some of you will be say you never get money. If rain dey fall like this, you go talk say, I no fit comot o, I wan dey for house, make rain no go beat me, make rain no go beat me. Look at the rich man, billionaire, the richest man in Africa, Aliko Dangote. He enter rain, they even use umbrella. See am now. But you are still poor. Rain fall small like this, you no go anywhere again. You go talk say, I want day house. Day house make you no make money again. You still dey make money inside rain. They look oh. Apa.
So it's in the hospital in the Rivers.
Good morning. Very well.
But why did you go to Evercare? Yes.
I'm sure they will take that decision immediately.
But there's nobody there now.
Okay.
Okay, tell them to go in there. Yes. As of 10:35.
Oh, last night?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And you want to
Is there any place to stay?